Welcome to Text Review. I have generated 20 short love stories with single AI. Today I will show you how to make unlimited AI love-based stories with single AI for Faceless YouTube channel without much effort. Did you know people love watching these kind of short love story videos? You can earn anywhere from $500 to $10,000 every month by uploading this kind of videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want. The best part of this AI is, everything will be automated. From generation of story script, story image generation, add AI voiceover, subtitles, and the final video production. I have generated all of this videos with single AI. You will find the necessary links in description to get started. Creating these kind of short stories which I will reveal in this video, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. With this AI, you can generate as much stories as you want by only adding your subject of the video. AI will generate script, developing characters of the story, generated storyboard as well as AI images according to the story, will add automated voiceover and subtitles of the story with consistent characters images, and finally generate the complete video within every 10 to 15 minutes. Here, I am showing you samples that I have generated with this AI to show you some examples, so that you can understand the capacity of this AI. Visual style of your story can be chosen from 12 different styles. Digital art, realistic, cartoon, 3D cartoon, storybook, classic, horror, anime, 3D anime, neon punk, fantasy and science fiction. Supported video aspect ratios of this AI are not only horizontal 9:16 but also vertical size 16:9 size, which can be uploaded as Facebook or Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts or even TikTok. With today's strategy, you will able to start your own brand new YouTube channel to start earning money online with a faceless YouTube channel by publishing this kind of AI story videos. You have to make sure that you watch this full video tutorial and follow the strategy that I will show. And if you have any confusion, you can always ask in comment section below. I will reply each comment one by one. And if you find our video helpful, please subscribe to our channel to help us to grow. And you will find the link of this AI in description and comment section. Make sure you are registering with our links to get 150 credits as free. Remember, this AI is not 100% free. I recommend you to upgrade to Pro plan if you satisfy after using this AI. I just showed you few sample stories I generated with this AI. Now let's get started from the link in description. Click on sign up with Google button to easy sign up. After signing up, you will redirect to the home page. With this AI, you will able to make consistent characters, create scenes, places, and animate your characters. You can create your own AI actor from Character Builder feature, or you can use ready-made actors pre-built by this AI for public use. Here is 30 AI actors ready to use. Or you can put your actor into various this pre-built outfits. Or even use this images to regenerate your own images with this outfits. You can make your own videos by using pre-built videos for you by this AI. You can create your own characters. Or you can use 24 pre-built public characters to make consistent facial expressions within your for your storytelling needs, or you can put your character into various scenes from here. You can also generate AI images from the Image Builder section on left menu. You can make your video and talking avatar from Video Studio section at left menu. In Get Stated option of Video Studio, you can use any pre-built templates to generate and create your own video. You can create AI presenter video too. And see, here all the actors are speaking on this showcase and templates section. You can use any of this by clicking edit button. I am explaining you all to make you sure that this AI have extraordinary features that you will able to use after signing up. But you have to make sure that you are signing up with our link in description section. And stay connected. Within few minutes, we will start learning how you can make unlimited AI love stories with this AI. Stay connected. Now click on Story Studio on left menu section and then click on New Story button on right top side. AI will ask, "What story are we creating today?" and we clicked on Help Me Get a Story button. Then who is your story for? And what's your goal by creating this story? We wrote any in those boxes. What genre the story should be? We are creating love story, so selected romance. Most important part is here. AI asked any quick ideas what this story is about? Story depends on this input. We are writing Titanic movie-based story as our input and click on Generate Story button, and here is our characters of the story and full short story is ready. Clicked on Create this story button. Now selecting the story format. We selected horizontal. Now select visual style of your story from 12 different visual style. The video images will depends on this selection. The style you will select the style of your story images will be. We are selecting fantasy as our style. You can use any style as your requirement. Continue to character creator start building characters according to our story, and this process will take 3 to 5 minutes. Here, AI generated characters according to our story, and you can always change the character's appearance if you want by clicking Change Character Appearance button if you not satisfied with any characters. This character is not what I wanted, so here I am trying to generate better character by modifying the prompt a bit. Here the new updated character, not satisfactory. I am now changing a more in prompt to generate better character. You can always change the appearance of the character till you satisfy. I think this character is okay, so clicked on the Confirm Character button. And after satisfying with characters, clicking on Continue to Storyboard button. This process may take 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your internet speed. In my case, it took almost 7 minutes. And here you see, unbelievable results are generating. Let's check all images that AI generated according our storyline. Every generation have 2 options. You can take what you liked most, or you can generate more images till you satisfy. If you're not satisfied with any image, you can change it. In left side, you will find an image button. Click on that button and then click on Generate button to generate new images. This process obviously take time and it will generate 2 more images. Here is new generated images. You can choose one or you can always generate more images till you satisfy. We finalized all images for our video story timeline. After satisfying, we can click Export button on right top side to start generating our video. In the meantime, if you have any confusion you can ask on comment section. I will reply each comment one by one, and if you found our video helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It took almost 8 minutes to complete this process of outputting our final video. Let's watch what love story this AI is generated for us finally.
Trapped in a suffocating commitment, she longs for freedom. Their eyes lock, sparking a connection that transcends words. The line between duty and desire blurs, tugging at her heart. Breaking free from chains of expectation, she embraces the unknown. Time stands still in the face of imminent loss, their love a beacon in the darkness. Fate's cruel hand deals its final blow, testing the depths of their bond. Love's sacrifice blooms amidst the wreckage, a tender reminder of what once was. Their legacy rests in the heart of the sea, a whispered promise of eternal devotion.
How was the story of Titanic? Comment me below. And you saw everything has been generated automatically by this without any effort. You can download it by clicking on Download button. I hope you will try this AI today and tell me your experience. Now let's generate a new story. Followed the same process as before. And in the section of any quick ideas what this story is about, I enter Romeo and Juliet as our new story. In less than 10 seconds our story is ready. If you are not satisfied with the generated story, you can click on Try Again button to regenerate story. After satisfied, clicked on Generate Story Outline button, and this time I selected realistic visual style for this new story. Here characters are ready, so clicked on Continue to Storyboard button. Story images started to generate. This can always take time to generate all the images of our storyline. But look at the generations, extremely powerful and extraordinary and consistent accordingly. Look how beautiful the generations are. Did you like too? Please comment below. And this way you can generate as much as stories you want with this AI where everything is automated. You don't need to give any effort without giving time. Not only love stories, you can make fantasy stories, children's stories, action stories, romance stories, drama-based stories, comedy-based stories, mystery stories, science fiction stories, crime-based stories, history-based stories, superhero-based stories, horror-based stories with this AI. With this strategy one have just showed, you can start your brand new YouTube channel. And keep focus and consistency. Within few months, you will also start making money from your YouTube channel, because many people are already doing this kind of channels and those are working well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and find the link in description.
In a town where ancient
And let's
grudges
see the last
thrive,
generated
two
story's
hearts beat as
result.
one. Amidst the masked revelry, two souls find solace in each other's gaze. In the pandemonium that follows, they search desperately for a fleeting connection. High above the city, secrets are shared in hushed tones under the watchful moon. Within these walls, forbidden love blooms, defying the history that surrounds them. In the shadows, plans are made to escape the chains of their family's feud. In the heart of justice, innocence is questioned, threatening to tear them apart. Amidst the crowds, two figures stand united, ready to embark on a new journey together. In a new world, their love story begins afresh, untainted by the past that haunts them. Within these walls, their bond grows stronger, a testament to the trials they have overcome. Across the digital realm, their love spreads far and wide, touching hearts and inspiring others. In the quiet moments, they reflect on their tumultuous past, grateful for the love that brought them here.
And to remove the watermark and unlimited generation, please upgrade to Pro plan.